morning, guys. It is a very beautiful day here. I think it's day 4 in Morocco, and today's the day that I've most been excited about because we have just driven up about an hour away from Marrakesh into the Atlas Mountains, and we're here just to see what it's like to actually live here. I think this is the best thing about travel, is actually getting to see how the local people live. There's a lot of rich history here, and there's a school over here, and we're about to go check it out. The kids are so cute. Hello. So cute. Bonjour.
So the Berbers, they are indigenous people of North Africa. So they live in tribal groups, and there is a lot of tribes within Berber people. Berber community, we have a common language, which is Tifina. It's a common language for all the Berbers of the world, and so they can shift to the common language in order to understand each other.
Hello. Hello. Oh, wow. We're going to be preparing a meal today. This is amazing. I came to Morocco before, but I didn't get to experience anything like this, and this is the first time I feel like I'm seeing the heart of the country. Amazing. These are the travel moments that fill my heart. You know? We're about to learn how to make tagine, which we've had every day, but I feel like this is going to be the best one we've had, for sure. Guys, we just made the tagine from scratch. That was amazing, and oh my gosh, this family, Rabia, is the sweetest. I was chatting to her, and we got this incredible photo. Okay, I mean, I don't know if you can see. Let me put it in right here.
Look in there. Look
in
there.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. There
Yes.
she is. There she is.
There you go. It's a little sneak peek. Go to my Instagram to see the final version because I think it's the most beautiful photo ever. Thank you, Dakota, for capturing this incredible moment. Oh my gosh, this, they've just completely opened up their home to us and their hearts, and this is amazing. So cute. What's his name?
Ziyad.
Okay, we're heading over now to make the bread. This is Fatima. She's gonna teach us how. Yes. Fatima is showing us how. How old is Fatima?
ايوا حبيبي ما يسن ورسيخ مش كدارينا ولا عمر
I don't know exactly.
Don't know exactly. Yeah. Oh wow.
Because most of them they don't care about how old that
They don't
is.
care.
Yeah.
I love
And
that.
before they don't know how old that they are.
Wow. That's something that the world can learn from.
Yeah.
People spend too much time worrying about it.
About it.
Yeah.
شوف زياد
Yes.
تقلب
Turn it?
Turn it. Yeah.
مزيان
Yeah.
تعجنت مليح
That we made it, yes.
عجنت مليح الناس تعجنت يعدل
Yeah. She said you made a good bread.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Good?
good
Wow. It's good.
مزيان
We made good bread.
My bread.
What does she think is like the best thing about life here versus in Marrakesh?
قص طبيعة مزيان هسي هكا
Here, she said the life here is much easier than being in the city because you used to know everybody.
يلا قرتي
It's not like in the city. You don't know that much people. And
Yeah.
here also good atmosphere, good weather, good air, so fresh air.
Yeah. So fresh air and community.
Community. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. To be close, you know. But here she felt like free and
Free.
yeah, she can do whatever she likes. And,
Yes.
Yeah. Being with the people that she knows. And, yeah.
It's funny, most people in the city want the community.
Yeah.
So that they really miss it.
Miss it.
Yes.
Yeah.
الناس أغرب أغرب
Akram.
أغرب
Is that the name of the
أيوة،
bread?
أغرب
Bread.
Achrom.
إيه
Akram.
Agrom. Agrom.
أغرب
Agrom.
Shukran. Thank you so much. Thank you.
A true Moroccan.
Wow, I didn't realize there were so many steps to making tea. So this is how you mix it. You pour out, and then you pour it back in.
And then again.
This is how you make sure it's all getting all the mint and the sugar. Yeah. Wow. It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. You don't realize how much like time and care goes into everything. So to make it from scratch like this is amazing. It gives you a whole new perspective.
Yeah. Yeah.
Basaha.
Means
Basaha.
like cheers.
Basaha.
Smells amazing. Wow. Cheers. We are now walking to Hassan's pottery studio where he makes pottery. He actually made the pots that we're cooking the tagine in. So he's gonna show us how he made them. Oh my gosh. So you guys know that I'm from Bulgaria and my grandparents have a house in the village, and my childhood was spent with my great-grandparents in the village, and it was just it was so similar to this kind of lifestyle, and I feel like I'm home. I'm here hearing the chickens and just talking about having community, and just the hospitality here is amazing. I'm so happy to be here. Okay, Dakota's gonna give it a shot.
Okay, okay. One foot there.
اي هاكا شوف سواتي
زيت.
One foot spins the
هكا.
Okay.
You
مزيان.
got this.
Not as good as his, but I did my best.
I mean,
I got a lot of help on it.
It's not bad.
yeah, it's not.
It's not bad for a
It's really not bad. I mean, that one is perfect, but obviously he's been doing it his
I
whole
would say
life.
I had a lot of help. I had
This
a lot
is
of help.
an amazing first try.
شو مشى تصور تحكي.
Wow.
بدك شو صياتي؟ ايش بدك شو صياتي؟
We are in the oven. These are the tagines that he makes. He makes them in here for 6 hours. Amazing. Okay, Dakota's going in now.
يلا شو رأيك؟
I'm good.
Okay. Hello. Here we go. We've got some homemade cups with water, the bread that I made, and here's a tagine. Still smoking, sizzling, smelling, and looking amazing. This is what I'm gonna remember from a trip. I think the problem with Instagram nowadays is it's so easy to go somewhere, especially Morocco is so visually stunning, and Marrakesh specifically, that you can easily spend a week there just shooting photos all day, every day, and you can get amazing photos, but when you leave, and I've been trying to get more and more into this, is like ask myself the question, you know, did I really feel the culture and did I really talk to the people here? And there's been, I think at the end of our traveling full time, we were going so fast and we were so burnt out and focusing on the content that there were trips where I didn't get that. And I don't really remember those trips, and I feel like I have to go back to the country to fully experience it because I didn't get to. So this, again, I've been to Morocco before, but this is the first time that I really can feel Morocco. So by far the best thing that we've done here, and I will put the link to like the details for this experience, because if any of you come to Morocco, please promise me that you will do this or something like this and just talk to the people, because the people are what make this country and every country beautiful and amazing. And this family has just welcomed us into their home all day and cooked with us and shared with us their stories, and it's amazing.
If all I walk away with at the end of a trip is just a photo, I think I've failed my trip. It's exhausting, but if I walk away with something like this, my soul is fed,
Exactly.
and we're about to eat some food, so my belly will be fed too.
I'm gonna remember this for years and years, you know? If all we did was go to different riads and take photos in beautiful dresses, I wouldn't really remember this trip. And that's what it is. Like, this is what touches your soul, and this is what makes you remember the people and the culture and just the life that there is here.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, if you ever get the chance to come and travel here, don't settle for the Instagrammable path. And there's nothing wrong with Instagram. I think it's an amazing platform. It's given me so much. What I mean by that is don't settle for just having the facade of the experience. You have to live it. You've got to live it as well. So live the story.
I know I've said a million times how amazing this was, but having that lunch in that house that apparently has been passed down to minimum 4 generations, at least 200 years old, we both feel more content than we have in a very long time. Honestly,
I was a little traveled out before this moment.
yeah.
Yeah.
For the past, like, couple of months. I feel like it's been go, go, go,
Yeah.
probably even way longer. I haven't taken a day like this to just slow down and connect with people and yeah, just experience and like live in the moment. So I feel amazing right now.
Same.